Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's all come to an end. Welcome to the grand finale of What's Cooking. I should be sad, but I'm not, because we're making dessert. We've reached the point of overindulgence and eating way too much, so I'm going to stop trying to tell you to get organized. Just mix the mascarpone, coffee syrup, and icing sugar. The next step is all about those layers. Chocolate cake, amaretto, mascarpone, in that order. And then you just repeat. Don't be shy on the amaretto. One sip for you, one sip for me. Always does the trick. And now, for the cherry on top, literally, we finish the dish with Amarena cherries all the way from Italy. Let's look back on the culinary journey we've been on together.
It's Christmas time. Grab your coat, it's getting cold.
From watermelon sashimi to delicious hispy cabbage.
This season's greetings.
Onto our showstopper main course, the crispy chicken, and the sweetest of ends, the dessert. It's time to show off your newfound skills. Thank you for joining us at What's Cooking, and from the Commons, the Student Hotel, we wish you happy holidays. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay curious.